Welcome back to the shop. Today we're unboxing our new metal detector. Just got it in the mail today. What we got is a Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 metal detector. Got it for $61.99 off Amazon. I thought that was a good price. What do you think?
I do, yeah.
Alrighty, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I've already opened it, so you didn't have to watch us open it, but I have not looked inside. There's the owner's manual. Probably won't be needing that. And let's take a look here and see what we've got. Alright. Let's talk a little bit about this and why we got a new metal detector. As y'all know, Mama is interested in getting back on the mill and doing some milling, and we want to avoid, of course, hitting the nails and bullets and everything else that people put inside of trees, and save a little bit of money, hopefully, on our blades. Well, we had a metal detector before, and as you know, it kind of stopped working on us, and we need to just get back into where we've got a metal detector. Well, first what I noticed, it's not overly packaged. It's packaged well, but it's not overly packaged. Everything looks pretty good on it. And let's talk a little bit about the features of this. Now, I'm going to read this straight off the Amazon website, so we kind of don't miss any of the features. The tech specs on this, it weighs 4.2 pounds. The length is adjustable. It's got a 8-inch coil that is waterproof. Now, that's the coil waterproof, not the whole thing. It operates on two 9-volt batteries, and it has operating frequency of 6.6 looks like kilohertz, and it's made in the USA. It's got a 5-year limited warranty on it, and it can detect coin-sized objects up to 8 inches deep in soil, and then larger targets up to 2 feet deep. It detects the presence of all metals, including gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel. And really, that's what we're looking for, is the iron and steel to get the stuff out of the fence. It has 3 modes of operation, 2-tone discrimination, motion all, I don't understand it, motion all metal mode, 3-position mode switch, 8-inch waterproof coil as we talked about, and a 1/4-inch headphone jack. But it looks like it's going to be a pretty good little product. It looks like it's going to work well for us. It's adjustable height, so that means either me or Mom can use it. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the batteries in this and see if we can't maybe give it a quick initial impression. Now, it's windy out today, so I'm not going to go outside and try to use it, but what I will do is put a board up here that I know it's got some metal in it and see if we can't pick up on that. So y'all hang with us as we get this all together and see how it works. Alrighty guys, we're back after putting this together, and it really doesn't take much to do. It's a pretty simple operation, wasn't it, Red?
Yes, it was.
This little screw and nut here just slides through and holds this coil on. It initially comes separate. So you put the coil on this, and then this is just one of those rods where it slides in and has the little detent. Can you see that right in there? And it's got that detent. You just slide that up in there. This part is already comes on. The battery box is back here. On here you put 2 9-volt batteries in there, push it down, and then hook the wire in, and that's pretty much it. Essentially, the off-on switch is here. This determines what metals you're looking for, and we're going to have ours on all metal. We're going to do a quick look inside, see how this works. I will take it outside and give you some impressions later, but what I'll do is do just a quick knowing here, and by that I mean we know there's some nails in here, but it's just too windy outside to try to do this. So let's turn it on, and let's go over an area where we know there's no metal, and then let's get to where we know there is metal. And it's picking up stuff here, and that's a good 2 inches in that board. So I think this is going to work for us. What do you think, Ray?
I think it's going to be great.
Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click a couple of pictures to put in here and show you how this thing comes together. And then after that, I'm going outside and we're going to give it a shot. Let's see what happens, guys. Alrighty, guys. We're back inside after our quick excursion outside where it's cold and windy. Sorry you couldn't go out there with us. But it's just too windy to get a good any good sound quality at all out there. And all you'd have heard was the wind rushing by. But it worked pretty good, didn't it?
Yes, it did. It was fun.
Did a great job. Picked up some minute, small stuff. Now, I know you can't see this in my hand, but I'm going to put a picture of that in about right here. And I hope that worked out so y'all could see what it picked up. But I think it's going to do a job for us. We had a Noan log out there with some metal in it, and it was able to pick that up really, really well. So this is going to do the job for us. Right now, initial impressions, it's going to work.
It's going to be good.
So we'll check back with you later, maybe in a couple of months, and let you know how it did. Other than that, I think we're done for the day, unless you got anything. You got anything?
No.
All righty. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.